young girl that came from South Africa, and she have been enjoying Nigeria all this while. She came to Nigeria and now she came to Igbo land. One thing I like about her, she has made it clear all the way from South Africa that she loves Igbos, that she wants everything about Igbo. And you know what? This is not stage. Look at what she said about when she had is that orange in Lagos. This is what she said.
This orange is not sweet at all.
You heard that? Now, look at what she said when she was having Odara in Igbo land. It's totally different. Even the lady that was with her even said something. Listen to what she said about Odara in Igbo land.
It's actually very sweet. In Lagos, we're not eating like this, so you reach Enugu, now they chop like this.
Even the lady that was with her even said something. Listen to what she said about Odara in Igbo land.
It's actually very sweet.
Tell you what the lady said, right? Now, guys, you know one thing. I said when we have things like this in Igbo land, right? It's time for us to project those things in order to attract tourism in Igbo land. Now I know that Governor Peter Mba of Enugu State. I know you have been doing some great things. You are trying to promote Enugu tourism. Now this young lady here, she's advocating. She is so outspoken girl that she can bring something, and a lot of people are following her, not only to the Nigerian side, they're following her around South Africa. So for her now, you can utilize her brain to bring tourism to those things you are planning away around that area. You know me, guys, I keep fighting Soludo. Soludo is missing opportunity on Wanyocha. He has those, what they call it, park that he built. The best person that he could have used is Wanyocha in Switzerland. That woman can promote more tourism in that area and bring more business in Oka. But Soludo, I don't know, for some reason, he refused to do that. And funny thing is that they are from the same place. The Wanyocha husband is from the same place. Is your friend with Soludo, but they don't do that. Now let's still talk about this girl. Flavor also dance with her. A lot of people dance with her. I like her vibe. When she loves Igbos and Igbos are giving her this vibe, that is a good thing. Guys, I wish that we can understand the secret in tourism. Forget about this oil. Tourism pays a lot. What do we have to do? The governor, please share this video, please. She share this video. The governor of Enugu, all you have to do is to put security around the areas. Teach people that tourism is not about taking people's money or asking people money. If you sell orange in the street, tourism can buy a lot of oranges. If you have a house, you can use A and B. People can rent there. A lot of things that they will bring to the community. And that is what we need to go away from this oil and all those things and start to think about tourism. A lot of countries make money on tourism. So guys, this young girl from South Africa, let's give her the opportunity. Let's use the opportunity to attract more tourists in Africa, in Nigeria, and Igbo land himself, or Biafra land, whatever you call it now, or Dua. So let's bring this tourism. Igbo land, we need more of this. We need to showcase our Igbo culture. And we know how Igbos are generous. We know how Igbo are hospitable. We need to show this more. Guys, one more thing I want to say is that we Igbos, we need to project ourselves very well. Okay, when Speed came to Nigeria, what we said, he said, you guys are asking me about money, and they took Speed in Lagos and all those areas. Speed couldn't share that. Speed even said that, do you know that if I'm Igbo? He even said that because his target is to go to Igbo land and see all those things. We need to bring these people more to Igbo land because that's where the nature tests, and that's where people feel very comfortable in enjoying things regionally from Africa. Igbo Kwen, Igbo Amaka, biko ụdị mmadụ a ka anyị mee ka ọ use ya ọfụma. Ụmụnne m ndị bịara from obodo Igbo ha ejiri ego bịa, ha bịara ka ha spend all ha calculate ego ha chọrọ use. So ọ bụrụ ihe anyị na-asị ka anyị nara kama ka anyị nabata ha ọfụma, ree mkpụrụ osisi gị resi ha in affordable price. Inwekwa ihe helpkwa ha out somehow you can project yourself. Listen, ọ bụ onye na-enye gị ife, mmadụ na-enyere gị ife today, tomorrow you may benefit from it, either you or your sister or your next generation. Don't just think you want it today now, okay? Okay, this young girl from South Africa, you have seen how Igbos have treated you. When you go to South Africa, talk to your neighbor, talk to your people, how they will treat Igbos and other people all around that area, not only Igbo, every Nigerian, Congo, Senegal, Ghana. Let's all be accommodating, as hospitality is the key to life. Thank you, and stay blessed. Please share this video if it reminds you.